Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Telegram desktop not opening on your PC. If Telegram does not open, closes immediately, or becomes unresponsive, these simple steps can help. First, try opening Telegram desktop normally. If nothing happens, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. Look for Telegram or Telegram exe in the list of running processes. Select Telegram and click End Task. This will completely close the application if it is running in the background. After that, try opening Telegram desktop again. If Telegram still does not open Windows Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Telegram desktop in the list. If your Windows version provides advanced options, open it and use the repair option if available. Next, restart your computer. A simple restart can fix temporary software problems and background processes that may prevent Telegram from opening properly. After restarting, open Telegram desktop again and check whether it starts normally. These steps solve many common Telegram desktop startup problems without changing your chats or account data. That's how you can fix Telegram desktop not opening on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram desktop tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.